Alright, so we're taking a little break from the pergola build because, we're taking several breaks. This is a multi-day project, especially for one guy, but a buddy of mine is doing sod in his yard, and he needed 3 pallets, and it was a lot easier to grab my dump trailer and go grab the 3 pallets than it was for him to make 5 trips in his F-150. Now we have a trailer full of old sod, and it's starting to rain. And if there's one way to make your trailer full of old dirt and sod heavier, it's mix it with water. So we're gonna go try and get that trailer hooked up and get it dumped before it doubles or triples in weight. Just give me later tonight. Alright. Little side project during the pergola. So this is where it can get sketchy. We're pointing downhill now, which is stupid. And we're about to lift this after we open the rear gate, obviously. But if these rear tires come off the ground, that is our transmission in gear, because manual, and that's our parking brake. So if the rear tires come off the ground, the whole truck's going down the hill. I could lock it in 4-wheel drive, I guess. It's about people who don't have 4-wheel drive. this exactly is why you want to not stand between a truck and a trailer. So I've got this thing added right here. It's an Anderson plug. Let's see, this one's rated at 175 amps. But on the back of this truck is another Anderson plug, and you can just plug it in while you drive. Or at least when you're running it, you could run the truck to help juice up this battery. So since we haven't used the dump trailer too terribly often, we don't take it home to charge it, we'll let it charge up on the trip back to the storage lot. Topped off. Man, would you look at all of those coffee tables just sitting up there waiting to be built. What a waste. I figure with the current lumber prices, pallet furniture is going to become popular again. Let's get out of here. I'm loving this new Garrett Turbo with the 6.7 bottom end, 5.9 top end. Put some heavier valve springs in, so this thing will wrap out to between 32 and 3,500 RPMs, no problem. Little turbo bark.